What's up guys? Gawa tayo ng spiderman team. So ayan na, naka-prepare na yung mga lobo at yung tarpaulin. So panoorin na lang yung mga kumpletong detalye na gagawin namin ni Mar Magician. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Please watch this until the end.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
what's up guys? And today our birthday party is Spiderman. Pero yung suot ko ay Superman. So ayan guys, tapos na tayo sa ating balloon decoration. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, may balloon drops tayo mamaya. Ayan, naglagay tayo ng helium balloons sa gilid. Ayan, helium yan. At saka meron tayo dito sa kabila. Helium din. Ayan. Spiderman yung team niya. So naglagay ako ng table. Ang topper niya is black. So ayun na yung ano natin. Tapos meron akong ang tawag niyan, piñata Spiderman. So yun guys, ang celebrant natin ngayon is 5 years old. Ang pangalan niya si Christian. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much. And shout out sa mga sumusuporta sa aking channel. Hope magtuloy-tuloy pa rin yung suporta nyo. Maraming salamat talaga sa inyong panonood sa aking channel. Sana'y manood kayo lagi. Sana'y mayroon din kayong natutunan sa mga video ko na ina-upload dito sa channel natin na Greek Balloons. Thank you guys. God bless. Bye.
Hi guys, this is Amir Khan, two-time world boxing champion. I'm here with Greg. Make sure you subscribe on his page, Greg Balloons. Alright bro?
Yeah, thank you bro. I tell